How to make money with Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hi guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First we have what is Minddrift. Minddrift is a powerful AI-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art to written material. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high quality, marketable content. Whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair, Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. Let's know some types of content you can create. With Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine sell beautiful designed digital planners on Etsy, or license your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. So all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into minddrift.ea. As you can see, this is the home page or this is the website. Here we have other options like our roles. You can click over the one you want or the one you are. Here we have EA Tutors Writer, EA Tutors Domain Expert, EA Tutors Editor, EA Tutors Expert Annotator. Then we have Blog, About Us, Fake, log in for EA Tutor. Then we have Apply Now. So here we have the definition of EA Tutors. It is a new role arising from advancements in EA technology. EA Tutors are experts involved in EA projects. This responsibility include crafting texts, evaluating the EA's responses, and conducting fact checks. Here we have some comments like Anna, Charles, chose. You can read it to more understand. Here we have the definition of Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving EA. Then we have other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Here we have also work from anywhere and anytime, enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. So here we have join our townspeople. First we have annotation, meticulous specialists who administrate the EA projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then you have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in innovative way. Then we have domain experts who are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. Then we have responsibilities, requirement, and how to apply. First, we have responsibilities. We have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formalize clear, effective instructions for annotation projects. Then we have develop training tasks for EA projects. For requirement, we have create command of English intermediate or higher. Key A for detail data labeling is all about precision. Then we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So to apply, all you have to do is write your first name, last name, email, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website. Click over here if you are agreed to keep your data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact them about job opportunities. So if you wanna see my application, all you have to do is click over here. Then let's come back to the top. Here, let's click over blog to know other information. Here we have other options like roles and more. You can read it and click over the one you want. Then we have insights. Also, we have stories, as you can see, have arts to EA, image turn into editing, lens sleep into generative EA, podcast we have interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, Charlie, you can choose the one you want. Then we have fake. So frequently asked questions. Here we have a various questions as you can see to more understand. So first we have, do I need a development experience? All you have to do to get answers is click over here. As you can see, now we will contribute to the advancement of EA models but without any coding skills required. As an EA tutor, your main goal will be to share your knowledge, be it writing, healthcare, coding, physics, or any other, to advance the EA models of tomorrow. So we have also what is EA tutor. Also, how do I get paid? All you have to do is click over here and give you answer. How much will I get paid? As you can see, about requirement, we have will I need to perform a set amount of hours every week. How flexible is this opportunity? So all you have to do is read it to more understand. So if you want to sell your content, all you have to do is using website like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock image. Setting up a seller account is straightforward. On Etsy, click sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your image. Amazon Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. So, and there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.